Hey guys, so it is the next day. I had one class today from 9 to 9:50, and then ever since then I have been watching videos and studying because I have an exam next week and it's my first exam of my entire life, my first college exam, and I'm low-key really nervous, so I'm trying to just study until I make sure I know everything and that I'll do at least decent. So yeah, I just like ignore the mess, but I just have like all my stuff set up and I'm watching YouTube videos at the same time, which probably shouldn't be doing that, but yeah, that's what's happening right now. And then I think later I'm going to Starbucks at some point because I literally I'm so tired. I should be taking a nap right now, but I can't really take naps. Like I don't like taking naps because I feel like they just make me more tired. Like when I take a nap and then I wake up from my nap, I feel like I'm more tired than I am energized. Like I just want to go back to sleep. I think at some point today I'm going back to my house to get some fall decorations that I have, and I'm gonna decorate our dorm for fall. So yes. Okay, so I said I was gonna vlog more. And I've been sitting on my bed doing homework all day, but I actually just went to Starbucks with my friends, and I am so disappointed in myself because once again, I forgot my vlog camera. So let's go over to my friend's dorm.
I don't see anyone. So are you moving with that one girl there? Yeah. No. What are you guys saying, eh? 4th floor is lit. Whatever. Oh, you're a June baby. When's your birthday? October.
The feet off, now it's therapeutic, blowing money in.
There you go.
Hop in my car, get wet. I'm getting all of my checks. I'm winning all of my bets. No, I ain't letting you down, baby. I'm giving 100%. My night runs into morning.
Let's go for a walk. Hi, Nika.
Oh, she wants to run. Oh. Are you so cute? Oh yes, you're cute too, yes. Yeah.
Oh, she's locked.
Okay, update. We are at a mall. We did a spontaneous trip. We were sitting in the dorms and then decided that we were going to go to the mall. And I don't know if I can film in here, so.
It's really far away. This mall is like,
bye. It's not that far away. It's like an hour and a half, which isn't that bad, but it was spontaneous. And we're like, we'll just be back at an earlier time. We're only gonna shop for like an hour. And yeah. Already did some damage.
well, I got one thing.
So how do you buy Victoria's Secret bras? $25.
We should go here.
I don't know which ones those are though. Okay, so like I said, I'm going to just do a little haul showing you guys what I got when I went to the mall. So let's just start. So this, I wonder if I should do a try on. I mean, I really don't feel like changing right now, but I will if I do bigger hauls. If I do bigger hauls, I'll do a try on. This one's just like 3 items, so I'm just gonna show you them. Anyways, this is from Forever 21. I got it for like $12, I think. But what I'm gonna do is when I wear it, I'm going to tie it in a knot so it's like cropped. And then I went to Averee. I got these from Averee because they were on sale. They were originally $46, but I got them for $18. These are what they look like, and they're high-waisted and they hug your butt really well, so. But then to match with the leggings, because I knew that I wouldn't really have anything to match with it, went to American Eagle. I got this sweater from there, and then it matches with the leggings like perfectly. Like they're both the I don't know what color, like the beige color. And I think that's everything that I got. So this is my date for lunch today. Anyways, I got, love you. I got sushi and I got shrimp tempura, but I've literally never tried it before, so I really hope it's good. And honestly, the sushi here isn't that good compared to going to an actual restaurant. And then I got these things are so good, but I usually get vanilla, but I tried something new because she told me to. And then I got a panini too, and that's it. And then we're gonna study.
Okay, can you stop? This is getting really awkward. Real quick.
We just walked back in, well,
she didn't share her umbrella.
I was gonna say we walked back in the pouring rain. It was pouring rain, and yes, I had an umbrella, and yes, I didn't share it with Becky because I told her that it was gonna be raining all week and that she should bring an umbrella, and she didn't come prepared. So
I brought an umbrella and it was broken, and then you told me yesterday and I didn't have time to go buy an umbrella, and I went to the bookstore to go buy an umbrella, and it was $21.
Anyways, we are going in all of the dorms here where like we go to college. There are study rooms downstairs. I'll film it and show you what they look like, but basically they have them so that if you don't want to like walk away to the library or something, you can just go down there and study. And there's a bunch of other stuff. Let's do a dorm hall tour. First stop, getting Becky water. We're on the first floor, so just walk down one set of stairs, and then I don't know if there's anybody studying right now. Okay.